Have you ever sat in a restaurant and wanted to speak English, but your mind suddenly went blank? Don't worry. In this video, we'll practice a real restaurant conversation step by step, slowly, clearly, and with simple English you can actually use. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to greet the waiter, order food, ask questions, and pay the bill in English. Imagine you just arrived at a restaurant. Hello, welcome to Sunrise Cafe. How many people? A table for two, please. Of course. This way, please. Thank you. A table for two, please. Repeat. A table for two, please. Now you are sitting at the table and looking at the menu. Here are your menus. Thank you. Take your time. Take your time. This means you do not need to hurry. Now it is time to order. Are you ready to order? Yes, please. What would you like? I'd like the chicken sandwich, please. Would you like anything to drink? Yes. I'd like a glass of water, please. I'd like. This is a very polite and natural way to order food. Repeat. I'd like the chicken sandwich, please. I'd like a glass of water, please. What if you do not understand the menu? You can say, what do you recommend? Or, what is this dish? I recommend the pasta. It is very popular. Oh, great. I'll have the pasta, please. And here is a little twist. Pasta is famous because the chef is from Italy, but the special sauce is actually made with a secret family recipe. So if you order it today, you are not just eating lunch, you are tasting a little story too. Now it is time to pay. Would you like the bill? Yes, please. Of course. You can also say, can I have the bill, please? Or, could I pay, please? Can I have the bill, please? Now you know how to speak English at a restaurant with confidence. Let's repeat the most important phrases one more time. A table for two, please. I'd like the chicken sandwich, please. What do you recommend? Can I have the bill, please? Great job. If you want more real English conversations like this, keep practicing with me. See you in the next lesson.